say movie anymore. Because after as a me can say na yin na yes so a say the chairman can and I say yes so no it's life boom I say who give be some vibes we work around to me pick it free YOLO anymore. I just will give you that
very relatable saying how can boys
yeah
for one or two things
you relate more
for vibes familiar
at times me per se I'm a pair movie or storyline, real storyline. Yes, it be animation, be as a when she be that now, you movie as you see.
At the end of the day, message here.
You see. Young come from your days of YOLO up to now, life not to say.
Oh, it's a life there, one day at a time. Obi any merchant, you know. We take it as it is, but I mean, life has always been good. Once I was here, we are better than the ones who are not alive.
Okay, nice one.
We are grateful.
Relating that to you can say movie making, journey so far from YOLO up to now.
It's the same thing. Still one day at a time. So Jenny be on the challenges, you know, and a smooth road. But once you and one also by there. And the challenge be about work when we are with so that's what we are on.
Yeah, me funny say YOLO no ye time Ghana for do hu ye pa from YOLO why works be ana
a lot of films. Yes,
one or two be as a wow kaya at least.
Okay,
make
after YOLO, Aloe Vera is on Netflix. And then Saichi Gang is also there. And then you be some films and I say me could be you know, the Sugar Spice and Sauce. There's Fatal Delusion. What we're about to bring out. Nice there's another one, Deadly Upset. Baby, there are lots.
Okay, nice one. Bisa way in a sense, say YOLO na di home no. Obe can say na a springboard for you to jump to a higher height.
Senior platform, you have to make sure you are climbing. You are not descending into, you know. With what I started with, that's the good old days franchise, you know. The next project had to be I may leverage you upon. And that was YOLO. And you know, after that, I think YOLO has given me a different level. At the Marco, you can't say so right? Yeah. Another level. So yeah, we're only going up from there.
Okay. Going back into that days, you know, I think say na more growth could be at least not more picture or say be in some years to come. And say be me say the likes of Majid, the likes of Van Vika, maybe was because now we are young, but experience YOLO na more you know.
While young, there are people you look up to in terms of senior more actors, senior more personality. But
it's now there when
I didn't. Oh, me Papa Angasa. On one me inspiration. I did.
Oh wow.
With how he's carried his career. It was a man first and foremost. One share there will be a lot of drama. In fact, even if you take yourself, there's still going to be drama around you. But it now depending on how you carry yourself, how you respond to whatever is going on or whatever is happening. And he's somebody I can learn from because and I make say their social media they say it about everybody. But how you respond is what shows the kind of person you are. And he's handled some kind of things well. He's one, other people are there. So these are people I look up to. These are the things I'm missing in terms of how to handle fame, basically. Because one show you are fame in there, they do trim, it leads you on and you do so many things. But the way they've carried themselves in your Mukita brand, it's very admirable. You know, those are the things I used to see.
Yeah, now I admire no so personally not me bound chamber or coach in a way say wow.
Just aside the fact that my father on screen, I'm a lecturer, so I can call him if I have issues and big shouts to
Bonnie deep pusher can I be a pusher son be a dinner year pa senior most my round so
yes sir
I didn't be once again
Davis
Davis with the back on the time so say man who you baby hard Philip how to send him the befro
radio soon yeah home and Davis na
okay me pacho movie by Robin also playing woman
well behind the scenes
okay to you make pan say
producers you know you making sure say filmmakers and you making sure say after say nipa bi ayi ni sika say opeso ye project we you know ye keka ne ma bom ye de be hia we ye be say production management
okay
that's why I'm a manager.
Okay.
As a young said, I introduction, yet Tinas and a dinner boy.
Okay, yeah, it's one after the other. Yeah.
Yes. And making the film na na say project na ye ka ho asem sisi ano ye hian kofo a behind the scenes e bia wo hu omo scene so but ye nso ye adwuma
at times cast no musa munyina mo
oh yeah a end credit no
okay
the movie this year list be ba
yeah
your crew
yeah
cast
na me pa come to cast sorry
nti aside say actors no ho no before as an actor will be on screen so no be here will be make sure say we put two things together ma we on screen so and we no and no the real filmmakers no na actors and so about no ma support na be come
okay see a run movie a modia be mo a dey difficult and the challenge is be pa na mo fair in making this movie.
Well, challenges there be brave and few na metimi aka ho asem sisia because say the unse oye introduction okay say young guys na ba no yes idea din ewo your own side of the world and say din say bema obi a oba foforo chance so mfanye bibi because already you nim say we are why be pen no ono de ye de ho to no so
already cooked person
yes enti ayana din say obi a oye new and say afi na opese oye bibi ye man a chance and say support bi a esen ka odi me man na ade a oye na ko ani mo no ayana din enti sometimes eno na ye challenges ayana ye face especially open locations now
yeah
imagine so was more busy open locate watch the my description me location we nipa na nko hwe okoye or say production e din dey say they are already used to miracle films no Venus and asefo no but say okay say ye production e din dey Horizon
okay
ebia a new to say nipa no ti Horizon ahemfo nso ni what you say
yeah
enti ayana emane ye den but miracle films okay someone yami che mo na mo ye say no what you say and no there medan ni metime dey amount say even or the rental kra na still ohia bibia gina so aso dey amount enti ayana new production say no
Opemsuo 104.7
yeah there but production for akoye adwuma ma no ayana challenges be brave wom and obi hu small boy say na also we director small boy say na also we producer small boy say na we sine ehn for na wom be exams a be ye
Opemsuo
wow
and so Aaron wom Aaron ne hwan on your YOLO Cyril enti ayana ye niam bi say crafting niam bi say no wo hia niam bi branch timi aye fukakra ama eden
cast no ye hwan mo
cast no ye Aaron ye ne ka say
okay me be ban ho ne character and I say ni role play pa the major role
and Van Vika Van Vika na Bella Samoa
why them
yeah Bella o say
I didn't choose one more
what's
so unique about them
a storyline before so person ultra movie no aje wenya story first wenya story no a script nti story no character na e wo ho e depict what that particular script dem no say also screening characters available to you okay and me share role character with the way you city no personality say you one around when na you the man na obetimi aye ne come and say fit no on the first thing you say only the director we dey nkofo no dey mo hwe obi a role ne fit na kra no dey amano no
Opemsuo
and nam say pese ye ya ade a etofom a obi amanfo be so munti no you take your time and you sit it down you share script in mo you share you know this particular character nipa be na the man a ebe fa na ya tena se ya discuss it bi betumi abodin we be bodin we ni ya tena se ya discuss ya okay then you nipa list the best person or you good for this character then na you choose it and you you can synopsis no I think say be and so be ba ho say be unya fair idea of the whole story you know why you far Aaron and I be who di nti as you far Van Vika and I who di nti a ni nyina so kra be ba cinema hall yentimi kan nyina kra wa ha yesa na akwa ti say
you producer cash ho because unya Van Vika nya Bella Samoa nya Cyril na just say
askara na timi nche no oba so no
wow
executive producer
wow
on say the thing is opa the papa and we in maiden production and the first ejuma Horizon Films production no nti oba e na obehia obi a ono so give me no dada aye na ya support na aye nti enam or de opesa oye a 2 jano ye discuss it na say opa de pa because ejuma we the chiro bia mutwa no kuma say we dey sakra na so there bia ye no say
yeah
yes obia we hu bia nim say ye production no akra
okay
but ha na ye bibia
executive producer ma memra ho quickly be 1 minute na yenko Cyril bem kakra ahode ni free here in terms of finance how do medical bo
In terms of what?
finance
yeah
Oh.
musinyame ene nyame on first game first room out
Say also be bibia and yenami obia yakɔ school kakra ebi esu adwuma so ebia oye wadwuma bi na o feel say we nso wani je ho and it's something ade a opese we sika na nyese bi to free so say they are work somewhere then yakoye adwuma nso wo baby
David Samanya ntia say umedin work near and then motivate you more the rest in adwuma mu
actually sini adwuma no
woni na agye ho ana say profit bi na pese
wunya the last time I start my year my dream say me was 7 years ago.
Wow.
Yeah, but then na school call ne no man kitty bi any baby am wo ne no ma binti na was say me twenya right time no nti this year January no na me say no
okay.
I was say me pursue dreamer time bi am pese
okay
so it has always been my dream.
So it's been 7 months now.
Yeah started journey no
okay.
Actually you was set on March.
Okay.
Yeah.
Me mu bebre. Memra Cyril ho na yentoa yenkomo no so. Cyril ura play this movie no. Den te sen pa make a cry gist of it.
Ro no Obia he's obsessed with his sister. Me me busuya but me ma me my sister.
Yeah.
And me were going to na mabefi. But then growing up no you were some AB I home mani dada and sisia baby I be do no I'm obsessed with my sister.
Okay.
I'm person me who say oni obema bia wo. Nti all do our eminia no I still have that soft spot for her.
O feeling no can say yeah. O feeling no yeah, feeling wo.
Feeling nti my back no.
Yeah.
I'm coming to protect her. Only to come and find out say we share not just obstacles. So I have to fight to defend my love, but was as I'm saying because how can you be you understand why unia. But it has a lot of drama. Me the obizam sana me mau details ni na somewhere.
But at least with me what your appetite.
This is type of character net. We nye normal Cyril lover boy now. We obsession with masumbo. Shetland can masumbo left and right.
Boys now say over protect money ama mon. Momra mo hwe why?
I say now can dey be to relate.
Yeah.
Ade na some na can e wo for real.
E wo yeah.
Bi ho be feel say unia be ma anani unia be ma ne pewasem. But I am there is more to it than yes into obehwa
me siblings yes me nkwana me boy into me dem aye pa yeah
so the same way oba bi ohwa sa unti obehwa obehu say uni ebi kura na the same attitude unia be ma bi ana unia ba bi ye kirew wo feel so pewasem pa
baby no feel
yes and also yeah sabi baby e free no ye entertaining what you say into no quite relating story and I into na man for mra no mehwe youth no koma ye ankasa
SG more and I say be so time in your time
SG more time na 6
okay
on say red carpet it was artist ni nyina wa ha Bill ba Van Vick ba enti no SG nya Aaron wa hai SG nya pictures kakra obi o ye me fan ye ba amanfo
nice lady bi o menshi ha mbese me ka me bo ne din of video so was you post to we na fly no say Cyril na ba me musa na seminar say asem de me musa
asin ka bisa na asem
yeah ba me musa off me musa
no
they are more than they asem pese me musa
at the time no 6 you be red carpet you know e be chicha pictures be I say proud to you be hwe na nkasa I see it me have fun and you be pictures and so selfie kakra be bam you know na yɛ de entertain yɛ ho popcorn some kakra drinks na yɛ pɛ sɛ ɛhɔ ɛnyɛ sɛ yɛ pɛ sɛ yɛ kɔhwɛ movie na yɛ kɔ yɛ catch cruise yɛ have fun na finally yɛ kɔ studio ni ayɛ dɛm cinema hɔ na yɛ kɔhwɛ movies no yɛ kɔhwɛ movie na yɛ hu sɛ afei yɛ gye yɛ because pressure na yɛ street ne so ɛso yes
ɛso Davis ɛso pa ɛne obi pɛ ticket ni bi ɛmfa no benya bi
ticket ne de available ɛwɔ SG Mall yɛ kasa sisi a so obi bɛn na so so opɛ bi a ɛno nso no ebetimi ama ne bi wɔ ha ɛna yɛ short code nso a ɛno nso no ɛwɔ hɔ a wo boy ya na ya bana
I know yes short code for my area no BT obeso bi sisi ya
afa me so kakra ma menya na right yes
okay
menya na right
okay
all network
okay
star 447 star
okay
star 447 star 2498
okay hash no send it
yes no send you say we ye kumase ni asan ye sunyane enti se wo mia so a o send ya options ne beba say kumase de na opesa woto ana ase sunyane enti ye kumase na opesa woto no na wa choose option no say ye kumase na we follow prompt no simple is that simple
okay
mobile money na o ya afi de we ni beba na wa code no na atiska no ticket na double 100 cedis and a single 60 cedis and a VIP 100 yeah the coin almost say I say full because we wa pile di ko fu nyina now the banner say obeji say ya but
we Cyril abehwe bambeka abehwe
ya pese ya fa we su di introduce ya
free
exactly enya scan titru nti na pese edwuma no ya pese ye no back to back nti ya fa we so na ye de introduce ye hom nti ya pese ye bejire so but obehwe a onim se ochina bi oti se a horizon de adwuma ba onim se nkofo adwuma de omo ye na omo ye ne ye oti ase nti we ni invitation nti 100 cedis ne VIP na de cheap nti ye fancy aton am invitation card na de 100 na de abehwe ye oti ase nti ochina bi adwuma bi aba o a henfo na horizon
Opemsuo
come na odi abehwe nti ye pese nti ne ama price na yes no 100 cedis double VIP 100 cedis and a single 60 cedis. Short code near star 447 star 2498 hash.
Okay,
yes.
What you see, Ebia Kumasi or
no what you should VIP and so open single I don't so. We a student with idea. We a student now ID card pole for no ness and who ID card so we a student biana and also compromise kakra mamo so kakra and no double near 80 cedis.
Wow.
Yes, and a single near 50 cedis. What you say? Because once I did near school for boys, girls, and
I didn't know how near would you ground about.
What's it?
I didn't know how we were school that.
Oh, yeah, what you say? Inti, Momra, Momra, and catch a fan.
Okay, nice one. Cyril, I'm right. Can be sure fans, no, be a wolf, as I would say. I'm about to can be sure, I'll listen to me.
You touch it down, Kumasi, so. From now till Saturday any day.
How often I'll Kumasi? How often I'll Kumasi?
She said me back Kumasi pound. I am any low key.
Sir, you been a do bad.
Oh no, it's a project now.
Okay.
We have more projects to have.
Side deal be any actually.
Okay.
Side dealings be any actually.
Yo. Saturday you should just come out. It's all about fatal delusion. Omombra and their numbers. It's a very nice film.
Yeah.
It's not because I'm in it in America, but it's a very nice film.
Yeah.
Omoba, you be entertained, you learn. Like you were saying, it's a message in there most important for your hands. You have a very good message in the film as well. Omombra and her film, like David said, have fun, pictures. I mean, fun idea.
Oh, you have fun, pa. And my friend be also checking the BP. I was so Chama Jiwani.
Omra, on your tickets.
You mama and I'm one woman journey. Pressure never go for many scasam hoardings.
Oh, and then man quantity million with you.
Oh, you said you can't be. TBP so. Hey, now we can do a movie every no sunny baby girl. Must I sit down?
I say.
So no. Yeah, must be this weekend. We never. We know what bring me. Move we say we dream I can't say height ben opposite me atheni.
Ya target say on say you resist standard. It's a share bigger platform to say Netflix.
Okay. Wow. On next project bit my day.
My next project script no ho ba me nya and decided on which one I'm
script be brave go
but then enchebia for
okay
but
cast ni na mfa Cyril nhemwa why
Cyril dey say okan busuane ho
mfa nhemwa script bia okay nice one last words mu de beja ye e Opemsuo already 104.7 ye ne atiefo nyina minu se mo brand so near wrap you up.
Yeah, that was the same hosting. We are going all around.
Okay,
because
okay.
Who did it? So thank you, Opemsuo, for hosting us.
Okay.
The other radio stations are about. We are hoping some will be hosting nice. Then we just put the message out there. So weekend way they're in our car and in Ije Kumasi.
Yeah.
You know, Fatal Illusion Saturday SG Mall.
Yeah.
See you guys.
And Ije you know SG Mall coming Saturday. Yeah. Boss, your last words.
The message say patronize. So adeɛ no ɛyɛ na sɛ wanso mu a unhu sɛ ɛyɛ ɛna yɛka sini egu sini no sini ngu yɛ na yɛpɛ sɛ egu ne dia fine but sɛ yɛnyɛ sɛ yɛbɛgu na yɛn support it what I say adwuma wom ɛyɛ adwuma and aside that na sɛ entertaining say until so obenya how bi no you wouldn't even know how important it is for you to watch a movie but so obi hwɛ movie okɔ cinema hwɛ movie wi na sɛ how bi na sɛ opia works stress idea may release be pa into a monto ticket in my no momra so phone so na person or turn said the kind of short code star 447
star 2498 hash
no which follow points na why
okay
so ag mo han so a buy ticket no e benya bi ho na kwato yeah
e nyina said e be boa na promote said e be Saturday Kumasi every day.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for coming. Cyril, you be sure you be doing come on. Yeah, send me that me can yeah. I'm ready. You be come once. Yeah. Thank you.
So I don't know so what time
Oh, more time pa.
What time?
More time.
Think e bia nipa be person me ye promotion kakra bi. Menya wa mo ye be 5. So mo organize mo na mo ye 5. Wa be to so 6 no. Me fans organizer no unya 6 bar nti wo na o ka ho no wo ye 5 call pe o me nipa say na o fa nipa course bia fa 3 course bi o ye be organizer ya ho ye 6 6 no wo a ka ho na ye order no ye be ma free ticket na 5 no what did they make an answer nti nipa 6
5
amount yes exactly
okay,
on the phone call so what time the anka bi ni en oh they say ni come ticket ni de beja wa ha ya am de brewa
yes
nanka ye free akọ
nice one we tie ya we there o chia me anim na asem